Hi guys, I just kind of wanted to talk about what's been interesting in my life the past week. I was on YouTube, like 2 days ago or something, and I saw the new trailer for Assassin's Creed Black Flag. It looks insane, and the one for Battlefield 4, I think. Yeah, Battlefield 4 is coming out. It looks insane as well. I think the gameplay will be amazing for that, so that's definitely one that I recommend to buy. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on in the gaming world so far. But yeah, not much has really happened in my life, just school, back to school, which sucks. I don't know really what else, like, not much has really been happening. I've been on Twitter a lot lately, so if you want to follow me on Twitter, I hope this comes up. Please. Okay, I'll put it in the link below, and I'll put 2 other people who are Jeff and Mark. But they'll leave you some weird random stuff on your feed. Keep getting Snapchats. Stop distracting me. So yeah, like, not much has been happening really. Just kind of playing a few gigs and stuff. Steel pans. Hope to get Contrast up and running again, and then get some new songs written for an acoustic recording, which will be fun, I hope. See ya. Peace.